Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for Today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week, so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Before we'll move any further, I want to let you know about Liquid 1V. If you are an active person, or you live in a dry climate, it is vital that you maintain your hydration. Unfortunately, most people do not get enough fluids during the day. Their mission is to change the world by providing the best product. Only one stick and you will feel a multiply in your hydration, energy and immune support. Liquid IV have donated over 9M sticks worldwide with 30k positive reviews. The link to purchase Liquid 1V is in the description, and for 25% discount use the code EverydayTech for today. Today, our topic is the DJI Inspire 2 drone. Here are its features. Inspire 2. Power beyond imagination. The Inspire 1 was a revelation, the first filmmaking drone in the world to integrate an HD video transmission system, 360 degrees rotating gimbal and a 4K camera, as well as the simplicity of app control. The launches of the Zenmuse X5 and X5R cameras further cemented to Inspire as a critical tool for filmmakers around the globe. Professional image quality. Integrated into the Inspire 2 is the brand new Cine Core 2.1 image processing system, which is capable of recording video in 6 kelvins. Cine Core 2.1 supports burst shots, capturing 10 JPEG plus DNG bursts and continuous DNG bursts 3 at 20 fps, 24 MP per shot, when the Zenmuse X7 is mounted. Material and design. The gray magnesium shell of the Inspire 2 is more elegant than the previous plastic shell and adds higher strength and lighter weight. T-junction airframe connections are now made of carbon fiber, creating a more integrated design that reduces weight while adding visual refinement. 2-axis FPV camera. Added to the front of the Inspire 2 is a 2-axis gimbal-stabilized global shutter FPV camera with a controllable pitch range of 0 degrees to -60 degrees. Combined with the stabilization of its brushless gimbal, it effectively eliminates picture shake, leaving only a clear view of the scene ahead. Dual battery design. A dual battery design using a pair of 98 Wh batteries gives the Inspire 2 an extended flight time as well as battery redundancy. As the two batteries connect in parallel, if one fails during a flight, the other will be able to provide power for a safe return to home. Upgraded intelligent flight battery. The new Inspire 2 battery uses higher performance and a higher density battery cell with an overall larger capacity as well as an updated management unit. Its performance in low-temperature environments has been optimized with a built-in 70W self-heating system capable of heating itself to 41 degrees Fahrenheit every minute. Agility and maneuverability. The Inspire 2's H-shaped frame arms hold 15-inch propellers that form part of a 2-horsepower propulsion system, significantly enhancing top speed and acceleration. Additionally, its advanced fast-acting flight control system allows the Inspire 2 to descend at a rapid 9 meters per second. Precision control. Attitude algorithms have been comprehensively improved, increasing the sensitivity of the control sticks, so that pilots can fly with greater precision. Flight parameters can now also be adjusted in the DJI Go 4 app, giving pilots the ability to tune the Inspire 2 to fly the way they need it to. Extreme weather durability. The Inspire 2's extremely robust attitude control algorithm allows it to fly in more types of extreme weather. Obstacle sensing. Forward and downward-facing dual stereo vision systems have a sensing field of view of 60 degrees and 54 degrees respectively, allowing the Inspire 2 to sense obstacles up to 30 meters away. Precision hover. The Inspire 2 uses visual odometry (VO) technologies in its forward and downward stereo vision systems, When combined with data collected by the flight controller, it allows the Inspire 2 to hover accurately when flying indoors or without a satellite signal. Detect landing terrain. A vision positioning system made up of a single optical flow sensor and ultrasonic sensors can only collect altitude data using its ultrasonic systems, making it unable to generate accurate information about the terrain below. 360 degrees quick spin. The quick spin function can be activated manually or automatically. Automatic quick spin is easier to use, and when enabled, the Inspire 2 will automatically spin when the gimbal rotates over 270 degrees. The Inspire 2 flies normally during a spin. Precision gimbal control. 3 damping balls and a damping board weighing just 40 grams. Half the weight of previous damping boards. Increase the damping capabilities of the Inspire 2 gimbal. Gimbal movement can now be customized through parameter settings built into DJI Go 4, giving operators the control they need to get the desired shot. Convenient. A transforming structure and dual battery design make the Inspire 2 easy to travel with. Simply press the power button 5 times and the system will cut power to the gimbal. Once the camera is removed, the aircraft will automatically enter travel mode. 2.4, 5.8 GHz control frequencies. Selectable 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz frequencies are supported by the Inspire 2. Generally speaking, a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi video transmission system is used with a 5.8 GHz remote control link providing aircraft control. Broadcast mode. A new broadcast mode for TV broadcasters has been created, allowing videos to be streamed from the Inspire 2 in broadcast standard 720p 60 or 1080i 50. DJI Go 4 app. DJI Go 4 is a powerful, convenient app that offers full control and customization of the Inspire 2. It can be used to check the flight status of the aircraft in real time, trigger automatic takeoff or return to home, control camera settings, enable intelligent flight modes and much more, all with just a few taps of the screen. Specifications. Aircraft. Model. T650A. Weight 7.58 pounds. Max takeoff weight 9.37 pounds. Motor model DJI 3512. Propeller model DJI 1550T. Max speed 58 miles per hour or 94 kilometers per hour. Max wind speed resistance 10 meters per second. Max flight time approximately 27 minutes. Remote controller. Model GL6D10A. Video output ports. USB, HDMI. Power supply. Built-in battery. Charging. DJI charger. Dual user capability. Host and slave connection. Mobile device holder. Tablet or smartphone. Battery. Standard. Name. Intelligent flight battery. Model. TB50. Capacity. 4280 mAh. Voltage. 22.8 V. Battery type. LiPo 6S. Gimbal. Model. Zenmuse X7. Optional. X5S. Optional. X4S. Optional. Interface type. Detachable. Charger. Model. IN2C180. Voltage. 26.1 V. Rated power. 180 W. Charging hub. Model. IN2CH. Input voltage. 26.1 V. Input current. 6.9 A. App. Name. DJI Go 4. What's in the box? 2 batteries with a charger, an all-new transmitter controller, extra propellers, a calibration plate, and a carrying case to store and transport everything.